Alright, now I don't have everything to do a full build on this, so I hope this is enough information. But I'll show you how the plastic strip's attached. But once it's attached in the lid like so, the Tic Tacs can be loaded on top of that strip and then closed like so. And then when it opened, it'll actually shoot out the Tic Tacs. They don't actually have to shoot, but it'll actually lift them far enough away from the magnet itself. Now all this plastic strip is just a rectangular piece of plastic with two pieces of double-sided tape. One side of the tape gets stuck into the lid in the cavity area, and the other one gets tucked in and then stuck on the inside of the lid itself. That way, as you can see, that's what causes the action. Size-wise for these plastic strips here, and it's just plastic acetate, is 7.5 millimeters wide, and 50 millimeters long. So that's going to be the size of the plastic strip. The amount of double-sided tape I used for the end that goes into the cap is a strip that's 14 millimeters long, and the double-sided tape that's used on the inside of the cap, on the inside, actual inside of it, is about 8 millimeters long. So that's it for the strip itself. Didn't know if you need any details about the magnet, but I don't know what Dan sent out, but he had samples of the magnet, and what they would do is they would fit the inside of the actual box behind the label. They would sit below the white part of the lid in this little area right here. And due to the width of the label, the magnet will be slightly smaller than that width, and so the Tic Tacs could be filled up all the way to the bottom of it, and then fill it up on either side of the magnet, which then hides the magnet. Coloring it white will add additional camouflage to it. That's essentially it. So the magnet, the Tic Tacs will go up on either side of it, and that plastic strip. So if you got any more details on this, let me know, and once I find out what Dan has or not, I'll be able to send size of the magnets if I can find those. If not, I'll redo a way of measuring them and figuring out that right size for those.